So only when you're dead you have no energy, and when you're truly alive, when you're really loving life and you're enjoying to the maximum, you have full energy. But most of us are half energy levels. Right now many of us may be thinking like, oh, this is so taxing, I don't feel so energetic. But if I say something that I'm going to cure you all, maybe your energy levels rise up. You feel happy. See, the smile has come to your face, I got. And so energy is also an important part of it. Physical body energy levels. Sometimes when you have some headache, your energy in the head is low. Your body ache, that part of your body, the energy is blocked, it's low, cannot reach. Because if energy is reaching your body, you are completely healthy. If it's flowing like harmoniously, like electricity network. If electricity is there all over the nation or all over the place, there's no problem. But sometimes one phase is blocked, there's a block and there's a disruption of energy, and when energy is blocked, there are problems. Okay? So now EFT is easily or better known as, also known as tapping, because all you're doing is tapping. This is what you do. So I'll tell you how you do the tapping. Like a tap dance, all you do is tapping, but you tap and say something. Yes?
How old is this technique?
This technique is about 60 years old.
60 years.
Yeah. And it's a very universal technique. And interesting because Masood.
Can you give us some history about it?
So there was this engineer, an MIT engineer, Gary Craig, and he was studying, some models of energy models. So he realized that instead of energy models, there is study human energy models. He studied human energy models and he realized that this human energy is a very dynamic thing, and we can restore lost energy by doing something as medieval or as old as acupressure, which is about 5,000 plus years old. Acupressure, acupuncture were Chinese ancient medicine, still practiced today, actively practiced today. So what it states is that any disease, what Gary Craig states is, any disease in the human body is just a disruption of the body's energy or electrical system. And if that disruption or block in the body's energy system is removed, then energy will harmoniously flow back into the system and health will be restored. Now how do you do that? So he experimented with everything and he found out that acupressure is one of the easiest ways to restore, which I tried with Masood the day before. So I just did direct acupressure for him for something. So it removes the block. Okay? It removes the block by touching or tapping on that affected spot. So by experimentation, he found out that there is something you can do to restore your harmony of your energy in your body again, to make it whole. You see that in your TV, once the cable is not connected or there is a problem, you see that fuzzy black dotted screen. That's what happens in the body. It all gets into a sort of a jumble mix. And when you just tweak the cable rather, and put it properly there, and there's proper connection, the picture is restored. You see that? You realize what I'm saying? So we are an energy network. Okay? So let us see what this EFT is all about. Like this is the practical thing, more of a lot of lecturing by you. Let us see how it really works. Again, like the electrical system in our houses or the sewage system in our cities, our whole body is a network of electrical channels or energy channels known as chi or nadis. They call it in Sanskrit, or chi as in Chinese, or meridians as in English. And whenever there are any negative emotions, I'm sure you all know what negative emotions. What are negative emotions? What are they? Huh?
Bad stuff.
Sorry?
Thinking about bad stuff.
What is bad stuff?
No, just anger maybe.
Doubts is negative emotion. Anger. What else?
Frustration.
Frustration is negative.
Being anxious.
Stress is negative. Okay, stress is a wider term, but stress is a lot of things, you know. Then, anybody else?
Being anxious.
Huh?
Anxious.
Yes.
So many negative. If you don't know what negative emotions, you must see a Hindi movie. Hindi movie has all the emotions: negative, positive, good, bad, ugly, everything. Bollywood movie. I'm sure if you've seen it, and if it doesn't teach you about emotions, nothing else will. You know, if you see Mera Naam Joker, you will see him laughing, crying, weeping, everything. It tells you that your whole life is only emotional roller coaster. But we can't go on the roller coaster ride, because they're very dangerous, right? So we have to go on a little more smoother ride. Let us do a smoother ride with this, okay? So the emotional roller coaster is down, up, down, and your system is gone. If you do it once in a while, it's fine. You know, good to go down once and up. If you do it all the time, you don't know where you are. You know? So most of us are like that, don't worry. We go for free emotional roller coaster rides. We are not charged. That is why none of us want to go to a, what do you call these theme parks, because we're already going on that. The whole year, lifelong, we are on the roller coaster ride. Now we have to pay for one. That is so tough. So let us see how we can do it. So any emotion, negative emotion, it blocks your energy. If energy is blocked, energy does not flow. If energy does not flow, that life or that path is lifeless or not as energetic as before. It is disease. How do you get that back? Simple answer: go back to the history, acupressure, acupuncture, touch that energy spot or that junction spot or that spot on your body, which is the junction of many energy lines. Like, you know, you come, there's an important energy grid, and you tweak it, you repair it. How do you tweak it and repair it? You call somebody, you know. Unless you're an electrician or electrical engineer, you might not be able to do it. But for our body, what we can do is just do it on our own. You're your own engineer. Maybe you need one engineer like me probably to talk to you about it. But once that instruction is given, it is lifelong instruction. You can repeat, you can come again and listen to it, or repeat, understand it in detail. But you can do it on your own. No electrical engineer required, no doctor required. You can do this on your own. It is like a self-therapy or healing technique which you can do it entirely on your own. It sounds like possible or impossible? Possible? How can you know about it? I mean, you don't know the technique. How do you say possible?
Because it's
You're also positive. Does it? How do you know until you see it working? Have you done EFT? Anyone done EFT here? Ram has done, Smita has done EFT. I've done it myself. But the rest of you? Sure? How can you be so sure? You believe me?
Tanzanians trust everybody.
But I'm not anybody. I'm Mansoor. They don't trust
Everybody.
Mansoor. Everybody. Okay. So good. We must trust another. But after the trust, experience. Trust, but experience also. Okay. He said, I trust him. But it doesn't work for me. Okay. I trust the doctor, but he might not cure my life. He might not cure me of my desires. So let us experience. Best teacher is experience. So a fool like me learns from experiences. A wise man learns from other people's mistakes. So I'm not wise here. I'm happy to be a fool because I like to experience things. I learn the hard way. So let's experience what EFT is and let us find out whether it really works. Okay? Ready? Ready for the experience? So now you don't have to hear me only or look at me. You have to hear, look and do. Do means do, actually do something. Okay. And who are you doing it for? For yourself. Okay. So I want you to do it for yourself, and I'll be happy to show you that, and I'll be happy to see you doing it. That will really give me a lot of joy. Tell me what you feel. Now, the first thing in EFT is think of an issue. So you all have pen and paper in front of you. I'll give you a minute because I'm sure most of you are saying that none of you will have problems. You'll look very contented. But maybe it will give you a minute to think,